Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat mga kapatid. Greetings from Cebu City. I am here to celebrate the 30th anniversary of our Carmelite presence here in Cebu. And yesterday was also the feast day of St. Albert of Jerusalem, a great inspiration for the Carmelites. So mga kapatid, how I wish I can be with you today to celebrate the 7 years anniversary of Sandiwa. 7 years ago, a group of passionate individuals, kasama po tayo dito, came together, united by a shared vision of Philippines where the rights of indigenous peoples are respected and celebrated. Today, that vision has become a powerful reality embodied by the Sandiwa Network Advocates for National Minority Rights. Sandiwa's journey has been marked by unwavering dedication, tireless advocacy, and a deep commitment to the well-being of Filipino indigenous communities. From raising awareness about critical issues to empowering indigenous voices in a national stage, Sandiwa has consistently championed the cause for justice and equality. As we celebrate today this milestone, let us acknowledge the incredible strength and resilience of indigenous communities across the Philippines. You have faced countless challenges, yet your spirit remains unbroken. Your cultural heritage vibrant and your voices very powerful. Sandiwa stands with you, a testament to the power of collective action. We celebrate our achievements, amplify our stories, and pledge to continue fighting alongside for a future where our rights are protected, the traditions of the indigenous people are being honored, and our voices are being heard. Kaya mga kapatid, as you celebrate this afternoon, the 7th year of anniversary, nawa ito ay magbigay sa atin ng panibagong lakas at inspirasyon na makiisa sa hangarin, sa layunin at pakikibaka ng mga katutubong Pilipino. Alam natin na marami sa kanila ang biktima sa inhustisya, mga pangapi. Alam natin na very rampant ang mining dito sa Pilipinas. So maraming mga leaders ang maharap ng mga gawa-gawang mga charges. So as you gather this afternoon for this 7th year anniversary, we continue getting strength from the indigenous people at sa lahat ng mga uri ng ating lipunan na nakikibaka at patuloy na maharap ng mga iba't ibang panggigipit, no? Mula sa hanay ng gobyerno at sa hindi makatao at hindi pantay na sistema ng ating lipunan. Kaya sulong Sandiwa, mabuhay po tayong lahat.